dark side of the morning.
Look at this guy working. What a guy, what a guy. I'm proud, at least someone's working. Good morning, world, and all that is happening. Today, we're gonna hang around. We are going to the Rock Hall of Fame, I think, if that's still Rock and Roll
Hall of Fame.
Hall of Fame. If that's still Mia's schedule. I don't know, I came here for the adventure, so just kind of winging it, which is my life motto. So yeah. It's about to get real. Where's Mia? There she is. My homeboy. Look at that.
Rolling Stone magazine in the house. I knew that it was a music magazine and there were pictures with people with guitars and people doing what.
This is crazy. That's cool. They have like a little radio station in here. That's awesome. It's behind door number 1. Okay, that's weird. So they have this theater in here and it's really cool, but you can't really like film in there, or I would have shown you guys. But like you kind of get to know the history and stuff. There's nothing in this door. I opened it and there was nothing.
Did you open it?
Nothing.
Whoa! There is nothing.
Oh wait, what's this? Scan your wristband.
Ooh.
What is this? Sign to receive your video. Oh, we can make a video in here. Mia, it's a recording booth. That wasn't a recording booth, but if Mia gets this in her email, I'll totally put it in. This is the 3rd time we have done this, Mia, and they're all the same. We have nothing more to say, okay?
We got concert and we got the other one. And we
Mia sees a picture of Stan Lee, the creator of Marvel. Oh, this is Mia, you made it go away. And now she's over it. She's over the Rock and Hall of Fame. She's here for Stan Lee. Mia, the reason you came here.
She's so excited.
Yes. It's the glove, Mia. It's the glove. The glove. You don't even care about the glove.
I do too.
The glove. I think this is the fattest hot dog I've ever seen in my life. Jesus.
Oh.
To the Science Center.
Pick up and drop off only. No parking.
Yeah, Mia, stop parking there. We're in a science center now. I don't know how we got here, but we didn't. I think it's free to enter, which is pretty cool. But yay, science! Space thingy! Space thingy! Space thing! The only place you can learn about how astronauts poop. Yay, NASA! They have a whole music section! Mia, there's a boat. I wanna go play in it. What kind of science is this? What are you doing making the water do that?
Air.
Air. Okay. This is so cool! Woo! Hello, friend. Alright, so we ended up leaving the science center thingy because it wasn't free. It was $10. We weren't kicked out or anything, but Mia's mom found that out while we were still playing, so yeah, that happened. So now we're back at the hotel, and I think we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. That guy is still working. What a man. Dude, there's Tommy Jefferson, and then there's my man Alexander Hamilton. Whoa! Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow we're gonna be on our way to Chicago, so it's just gonna be another day of driving and traveling. So I don't know how productive tomorrow's vlog will be. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did, comment, share, subscribe, and see you all next time on Ab's Life. And remember to stay fabulous.
Say it loud.